Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on nutrition plans with Nutrisystem. Start by visiting the Nutrisystem website. Explore the different plans offered to find one that fits your dietary needs. Look for promotional offers and discounts on the homepage or deals section. Consider signing up for email newsletters for exclusive savings. Select a meal plan based on your weight loss goals and preferences. Create an account by entering your email and choosing a password. Complete the assessment quiz to determine the right meal plan for you. Browse through the suggested meals and snacks tailored to your tastes. Take advantage of the customizable options for your meal plan. Check the section for bulk purchasing or multi-month discounts. Review the shipping policies to avoid extra costs. Consider using a referral link if you know someone who is a member. Explore the option of joining the Nutrisystem community for support and tips. Stay informed about seasonal promotions and limited-time offers. Review your cart before checkout to ensure you're getting the best deal. Finalize your order and keep track of your meals for budgeting. Regularly check the website for any ongoing sales or new offers. Monitor your progress and ensure you're maximizing your nutritional investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.